Have you ever sat beside her, close enough to feel her warmth, yet wondered if she's really there with you? She smiles, she texts, she rests her hand on yours. But a quiet voice inside whispers, "She's drifting away." That voice is loud, it's persistent, but it's often wrong. Love doesn't always proclaim itself with grand gestures or poetic confessions. Sometimes it's a whisper in the spaces between words. It's a breath in what she chooses not to say. Stoicism for women reveals this truth. True love isn't a performance. It's the raw, unguarded moments when her soul speaks, trusting you to listen. I'm ODE, and I've been where you are. I missed Lena's love because I couldn't decipher the silent language of her heart. I let my doubts drown out her truth. Don't let that be your story. Today, I'm sharing 7 undeniable Stoic signs she truly loves you, rooted in the ancient wisdom of Stoic philosophy, backed by modern psychology, and forged in the real-world lessons of men like me who've learned to see what's hidden. This isn't about games or tricks. It's about understanding love through the lens of Stoicism for women, a lens that cuts through noise to reveal clarity. Let's uncover the quiet proofs of her love. Let's ignite your Stoic reign. Sign 1. She argues because she's invested in you. When a woman loves you deeply, an argument isn't just a clash. It's a window into her vulnerability. "You don't understand me," she says, her voice sharp, her eyes flashing. Your instinct might be to push back or shut down, but Stoicism for women teaches you to pause and look deeper. What's she protecting? She's not just upset. She's afraid. Afraid you might not see her true self. Afraid you'll fumble the emotional trust she's handed you. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Look within. Let no truth escape you." The truth here is powerful. She's not fighting you. She's fighting to keep you close, to secure her place in your heart. I used to misread Lena's arguments as rejection. One night, after a tense exchange, I was ready to walk away. But instead, I took a breath and asked, "What's really at stake for you right now?" Her voice softened. "I'm scared you'll stop caring enough to try," she said. That question opened a door I didn't know existed. Here's your Stoic practice for relationships. When her voice rises, don't react. Take a slow breath. Ask, "What's really going on? What are you protecting?" Write down what happens next in a journal. Does this question bring you closer or create distance? Over weeks, you'll see her arguments as invitations to connect, not walls to climb. This is Stoicism for women in action, transforming conflict into clarity. It's how you reduce anxiety in heated moments and build a bond that's resilient. Sign 2. She shares her shadows, trusting you'll stay. This isn't about a messy bun or a makeup-free morning. It's the nights she confesses her deepest fears, the panic that grips her at 2 a.m., the days she can't face the world, the secrets she's buried from everyone else. When she lets you into those moments, it's not a sign of weakness. It's her heart asking, "Can you love me even here in my darkness?" Stoicism for women frames love as a sanctuary for vulnerability. When Lena first opened up about her struggles with self-doubt, I didn't know how to respond. I wanted to fix her pain, to make it disappear, but that wasn't what she needed. She needed me to witness her truth without flinching. One evening, she broke down, saying she felt like she was failing at everything. I didn't offer solutions. I held her and said, "Your honesty is your strength. I'm here for all of it." Months later, she told me. That moment made her feel truly seen. Here's how to embody this Stoic mindset. When she shares her struggles, say, "Thank you for trusting me with this. I see your courage." Silently remind yourself, her vulnerability is sacred. If you feel the urge to solve her pain, choose presence instead. In your journal, write, "How does her openness change how I see her strength?" This practice is Stoicism for women at its essence. She offers her shadows, believing you'll bring light, not judgment. It's a rare gift. Cherish it. Sign 3. She holds on to the small pieces of you. You mentioned your coffee order once. Half distracted, you told a fleeting story about your grandfather's old record player. She remembers, not to win points, but because she's gathering the fragments of who you are. In a world that discards memories in hours, her attention is an act of devotion. It's mindfulness, Stoic style. It's love, woven into the quiet details. Lena once surprised me with a vinyl record of a band I'd mentioned months earlier, a band I'd forgotten I'd even told her about. I laughed amazed and said, "You remembered that?" She shrugged, her eyes warm. "It's you," she said. That moment wasn't just about a record. It was her saying, "I'm collecting your soul. Here's your Stoic practice for love. When she recalls a detail, acknowledge it. You remembered that? That means so much." Mirror her mindfulness by texting her about a small memory she shared with you, a favorite book, a childhood story. In your journal, write, "Where has she been fully present with me this week?" This builds a Stoic habit of gratitude, strengthening your connection through the power of Stoicism for women. Attention as an expression of love. Sign 4. She pushes you toward your greatest self. She's not nagging. She's awakening you. A woman who loves you won't let you coast through life, lie to yourself, or shrink from your potential. She sees the man you're capable of becoming and challenges you to step into him, even when it stings. Lena once told me, "You're scared of leading that workshop, but you're built for more than you realize." I was petrified, but her belief in me was unyielding. She wasn't trying to control me. She was invested in my growth. That's when I saw it. Her challenges were love, urging me to evolve. Stoicism for women means loving someone enough to fuel their progress, not just their comfort. Marcus Aurelius said, "Master your mind, not your circumstances." Her love reminds you to conquer your fears, not your relationship. Here's how to embrace this. When she pushes you, whisper to yourself, "This is love lifting me higher." Take one bold step toward a goal she sees for you, a project, a tough conversation, a dream you've shelved. In your journal, write, "What potential does she see in me that I've ignored?" This isn't about pleasing her. It's about using her love as a mirror to rediscover your strength through Stoicism for women. Sign 5. She defends you in your absence. You don't hear it. That's what makes it profound. Her friend says, "He could be more driven." She sits up straighter and replies, "You don't see what he's building." Silent loyalty is the purest form of love in Stoic relationships. It's not for show or social media. It's for you, even when you're not there to witness it. I learned this when a friend mentioned Lena had defended me at a gathering I skipped. Someone questioned my unconventional career path, and she shut it down. He's creating something most people can't even imagine. Her words, spoken in my absence, carried me for weeks. Here's your Stoic practice. Notice when she speaks kindly of others behind their backs. It's a sign she does the same for you. Reflect that loyalty by defending her name quietly without seeking praise. In your journal, write, "When has she honored me when I wasn't there?" This builds trust, the kind Stoicism for women values, loyalty grounded in principle, not applause. Sign 6. She weaves you into her future quietly. She's not proposing or planning a wedding, but she says "we" when talking about next year's vacation or how a kitchen might look with new tiles. It's not fantasy. It's her heart sketching a shared life, one casual "we" at a time. Stoicism for women teaches that love is intentional, rooted in a shared direction, not just fleeting emotions. Lena started slipping "we" into small moments. talking about a concert we'd attend or a dish we'd cook together. At first, I didn't notice, but those we's were her way of building a future with me. When I finally saw it, I felt grounded, like my life had a shape because she envisioned me in it. Here's how to honor this. Propose a shared goal. A weekend hike, a cooking class, a charity project. When she says we, affirm it. I love how you see us together. In your journal, write, how does her we language feel in my heart? This Stoic practice aligns you with her vision, turning quiet moments into the foundation of a lasting bond through Stoicism for women. Sign 7. She loves the man you're still becoming. You're not where you want to be. She knows. But she sees the man you're growing into, and she doesn't demand he arrive today. When I confessed to Lena that I felt like a failure, overwhelmed by self-doubt, she looked at me and said, "You're in progress. I love you while you're moving." Most people want the finished product. She valued my resilience, my courage to keep going. That's rare. That's Stoic love, cherishing the journey over the destination. Epictetus wrote, "You are a spark of truth." She sees your spark, even when it's faint. Here's your Stoic mission. Show her your growth through actions, not just words. Share a doubt or fear with her, but do it with honesty, not shame. In your journal, write, what does she love about me, even when I struggle to love myself? This isn't about being perfect. It's about embracing your evolution, knowing she's cheering for the man you're becoming through Stoicism for women. Love is a silent language. Learn to hear it. Love isn't a Hollywood montage. It's the whisper in her silence, the strength in her challenges, the future in her we. If she's shown you even one of these signs, don't let it slip by. Honor it. Reflect on it. Let it anchor you. Stoicism for women isn't loud or flashy. It's sacred. It's how love shines when the ego fades. I lost Lena's love because I listened to my fears instead of her truth. Don't let doubt deafen you to the quiet ways she's saying, "I choose you." If this hit you somewhere deep, if you're done guessing and ready to build emotional clarity to love and be loved with strength, join our Stoic Reign community. We're men and women sharpening our Stoic mindset, emotional resilience, and self-mastery, not as a tactic, but as a way of life. Share this video with someone who needs this perspective. And in the comments, tell me, which sign made you see her love differently? Which one shook you awake? Stop doubting. Start seeing. This is your Stoic Reign. Thank you for being here. Let's rise together.